How did you decide on this location?
You know, we put a lot of miles on our cars, driving around, looking for where pawn customers are.
But you know the pockets in the city by now, if anybody does, right?
Absolutely. And things like the apartments right across the street come super in handy, and there's a lot of apartments in this neighborhood. And then,
do you ever gauge the traffic going by?
Oh, absolutely. Traffic counts.
You got like 25, 30,000?
This was 30,000.
Okay.
30,000.
And so we used to look for other business markers. Like we would look for AutoZone.
AutoZone, you got the dollar
shoe
stores, you got
dollar
the
shoe stores,
and then any mechanic shops.
And we would also look at cars. Like I would look at the types of cars. I'm looking for middle of the road.
Bingo. We want to make sure they're not all brand new, and we want to make sure they're not all way too old.
And I think this is the thing most folks don't. You don't want to be in a poor neighborhood. You want to be in a poor to middle class neighborhood, right?
You've got to find retail, and you've got to find people that need money.
And they have to have enough of money to be able to pay back their loans. Because if you get too poor, then it's just
you
become an antique shop,
buying
right?
all day, every day.
Yeah.